right, boys and girls. All right, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have an old good song here from Amy Winehouse. Amy, she left us way too early, but she also left us with great songs, and this is one of them, Back to Black. Needed to be here on Gordon Guitar. So if you want to learn this one, you come to the right channel, Gordon Guitar. Amy Winehouse, Back to Black. Let's take a look at this one. So we're going to do that without any capo. We're going to work a lot with bar chords or picking patterns that are based upon bar chords. And actually, when it comes to playing bar chords straight up, then yeah, it's only 4. So anyway, let's take a look at this one. And since we don't gonna use any capo here, we're gonna go right into the chords. Because we work with bar chords, then no need for any capo. So we're gonna look at D minor first. So that is a bar on the 5th fret, and you're gonna bar 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6 on B. We're gonna look at A sharp next, and it's very close. Now it's a bar on the 6th fret, and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 8 on A, 8 on D, and 7th on G. We have the F. You take the exact same grip as you have here on this A sharp and move it to this position. That's the 1st fret with your bar. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And why not continue this grip with the final chord, which is A, and you go back to this position. This is the 5th fret now. We hold the index finger across all strings there. And then you need to add 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6 on G. So you have D minor, you have the A sharp, you have F, and you have A. All right. This is what we're going to use later in the bridge part. The main part of the song is the picking pattern, and we don't have to use the chords for this, just grips from the chords, so to speak. And let's take a look at it chord by chord. So we'll start with D minor. So you are at this position now, and you hold 5th fret on A string, 7th on D, and 7th on the G string. So there you have the 3 strings you're going to work with. The part goes like this. And a clap. So we're going to start with picking 5th fret on A string together with 7th D and 7th G. And then a clap. And then comes this part, and that is to play 7th D and 7th G together. And immediately after you play the 5th A and a clap. So far half in, so slowly. If we learned this. And then you're gonna play again 5th fret A string together with 7th D and 7th G plus a clap. And then you're gonna play that again, 5th fret A, 7th D and 7th G. And then you do this note here on the 3rd fret A string and a clap. So go from this grip and slide over to the 3rd A, pick that one and clap. And that ends the D minor part. So slowly, one full round goes like this. Okay. Over now to the next grip, and this is based upon the G minor. We didn't went through that chord because we don't need to. It's just a grip, but it's based upon the G minor chord. So the chord or grip will be like this. 3rd fret on E string, 5th on A, and 5th on D. That is what you're going to focus on. You're going to follow the same pattern as we just learned for D minor, just different notes, of course, since we have a different grip. So you're going to start with 3rd fret E string, 5th A, and 5th D together, plus a clap. Then you're going to play 5th A and 5th D together, then 3rd E and a clap. So, and then you're going to play 3rd E, 5th A, and 5th D together, plus clap. And the final thing you're gonna do is to play 3rd E, 5th A, 5th D, then you're gonna slide up to 4th E and a clap. All right, so there you have the G minor part. Slowly goes like this. Okay, over now to the A sharp. And remember, when we learned the chord, we were up here at the 6th position. We're not going to do that now. We're going to go over to play the same chord, but at this position, because we need a darker note later on, and that's the only reason. Actually, also, a second reason is because the next chord lies over here, so it's very close. So we'll come to that, but the A sharp looks like this. 1st fret on A string, 3rd D, and 3rd G. So these are now the 3 strings, 3 notes you're gonna use. So you're gonna play the same pattern, and that gives us 1st A, 3rd D, and 3rd G together, plus a clap. Then 3rd D and 3rd G together, then 1st A and a clap. Then 1st A, 3rd D, and 3rd G together, plus a clap. And now comes the 1st A, 3rd D, and 3rd G together, and then 1st E, and then a clap, and 1st A. So the notes here differs a little bit, the ending here, and that's the end of the A sharp. So slowly it goes like this. And then you have the final chord, and it's based upon the A, and we are now here. Not that this bar grip A, we have this A. And it goes like this. Open A, 2nd D, and 2nd G. Those are the notes you need to focus on. So you're gonna play the same pattern now. You're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G together, plus a clap. And then 2nd D and 2nd G together, and then open A and a clap. Then open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, plus a clap. And then open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and then 3rd A, then clap and slide over to 4th A. So okay, and that is the A part, and it ends the melody. So the A together goes like this. And you fulfilled one round of the main playing there. So a lot of notes, but you know, since you get the feeling right for it and the pattern, how it goes, you pretty much learn that, yeah, quickly. You just study it for a while, you learn it quickly, and then you just have it, because it's just different grips and of course some different transition notes, but it gets pretty quick to learn that. I'm gonna take you through one round and try to take down the tempo. It's always harder to do it slowly, but anyway, let's do it. Then a new round. So, a couple rounds, standard tempo, goes like this. That is the main pattern. Cool. Then we have the bridge parts where we need to learn to use the chords. All right, and it happens 2 minutes and 44 seconds into the song, and this is where she just sings black. She sings black and black and black 4 times like that. Every chord gets 1 black in the vocals. So we're gonna work with just plain downs and big pauses in between. So this is nothing crazy here. We're gonna do that in the same way we learned the chord. If we remember, we had the D minor first, black, she sings like that, and we go to the A sharp, black there, and we go then to F, black, and then back to A here, and she sings black again. That is the first round. You're gonna play this chord progression for 2 rounds, and the difference there in the second round is that the last chord, this A, you're gonna play it for 2 downs, okay? So you play the last down there in the first round, and then you go over to D minor for the second round, and then A sharp, and then F. And now comes the final A. You're gonna play it 1 down, and then 1 down again. And that's it. So 2 rounds of a bridge part, D minor, A sharp, F, and A. 1 down per chord, except for the last A. You do it for 2 downs. And then back to black, almost back to the main part is what I'm gonna say, and continue with this picking pattern that is so cool. And yeah, that pretty much covers Amy Winehouse and her song called Back to Black. It's almost need to learn this one. You have to, because it's that great, and I like the rhythm in the song as well, and people know it. So if you want to have and learn a song that people know about and just take it off with a guitar, then this is a good choice. Give it a try, guys, and yeah, I hope you can support me in any way. I can take good comments, flowers, candy. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, if you want to subscribe to this channel, that is very appreciated. So thank you so much, guys. And till next time, play tuned.